There's one species in the room and as part of the exhibition that is the only species that is actually exhibited twice. Does anybody know what it is? No. It's a bird species. The robin. Who said the robin? Very well done. And it's very active because it's very, very tutorial. So it's obviously got in and elbowed its way in twice over and above any other species. So it's very apt, I thought. But listen, what a pleasure it is to be joining you here this evening, where together we have the opportunity to spoil our visual senses with Colette's breathtaking portrayal of her moments.